Hello, my name's Alex Hutchinson. I'm the founder and director at Chatham Group, and this is one of our fortnightly video insights where I want to talk about the importance of process. Now, there's a couple of things you might expect within the video, but the key point is going to be about resource, believe it or not, because I want to help firms make progress in the areas that we're going to cover. So, the topic or challenge is around the importance of process. So, what do we mean by that? A lot of firms know, or I'm hoping that they know, that technology can help their people improve performance, profitability, engagement with clients, and reduce risk. And in order to really optimize and get to the next level, reduce frustrations, bottlenecks, challenges that people are facing, and ensuring that technology can support them in moving forward, which should be the goal. Technology should support and enable and empower the people. Then they need to understand process. Now, I think firms understand that at a basic level, and this is how I want to try and add some value and insight into how they can make progress with it. Process doesn't need to mean that we're talking about a strict workflow. We are not talking, mainly the clients I deal with are not high volume, low value, low margin clients. And they have people in place employed by the firm, and they value the work and the input and experience that they bring to the matters. And that's why they're paid. That's what they're paid for. That's what they're trusted to do. So when we're talking about process, we're not talking about devaluing and optimizing to that degree. We're talking about understanding how the work's done, who does it, where are the bottlenecks and frustrations and challenges that they face at the minute by trying to deliver their work to the client within the constraints or parameters of the current technology, software and environment that's available to them when working within your law firm. And what they want to be able to do is improve that. So in order to do it, firms sometimes look to the individuals to provide them with that information on how do they do their work and what do they need good to look like. And that's a challenge, and that's often something that they get some appetite around, and it fizzles out and there's not much traction made. And that's really because the insight and value in the video here is that they need to look at the resource that they're deploying to obtain that information. It's very difficult for somebody doing the work to stand above what they're doing, have a holistic view, and extract information, the information that's required to understand and map that process at a high level from a project perspective. And that's where they go wrong, really. What they need to do is understand that the best people to do that are sometimes people that, in my opinion, they are the people that are not involved in the workflow and the process itself. They're people that can sit outside of that with an independent view representing the law firm. So I'm not talking about suppliers of software that are already trying to understand what the solution would be first. We're talking about understanding that process first. And that needs to be somebody that can sit outside of doing the work, engage with the people productively and efficiently, extract the information that's required and start to build that process and knowledge. And this isn't a pitch to say they need to use me, although that's what we're experienced in doing. I want to share some value for law firms to say, right, if we want to do this properly, we need to stop asking the people that are doing the work and utilize someone that's not doing the work to start building that information and make progress. So that's a video insight around the importance of process and trying to add some value on how firms can make progress in that area. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully I'll hear from you soon, and please see more details and links within the video details and description below.